In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font and font size of comments in Adobe Acrobat. If you review PDFs regularly, making your comments easy to read can save time and prevent miscommunication. I'll walk you through the exact actions to adjust the look of a comment so it stands out clearly and matches your preferred style. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. Any current desktop version works the same way for this task. Once Acrobat is open, load a PDF that already contains a comment you want to adjust. I'm using a sample file with an existing comment so you can see the results immediately on screen. With the PDF open, click directly on the comment you want to format. You might see a text box, a callout, or a sticky note pop up. Go ahead and select the one you intend to change. This tells Acrobat which specific annotation you're working on and brings its controls into focus. Now highlight the text inside that comment. Drag across the words in the comment's text field until they're fully selected. Highlighting is important because the formatting you apply will affect only the selected text. If the entire comment needs the same look, make sure everything inside that comment box is selected before you continue. Look to the left panel and choose the option that says Set or Change Properties for Selected Text. This opens the properties controls for the highlighted comment content. You'll see options for the text appearance, including the font family and the font size. These settings are specific to the annotation you've selected, so changes won't affect the rest of the PDF content, only your comment. Click to edit the text properties, open the font menu, and pick the typeface you prefer. The list you see is based on fonts available on your system, so choose one that's clear and consistent with your document's tone. Next, adjust the font size to make the comment more readable. A modest increase often makes a big difference, especially for long review sessions or when sharing with others who might be viewing on smaller screens. As you change the font or size, watch the comment update immediately so you can fine-tune the result. If nothing changes, double-check that your comment text is still highlighted. That's all there is to it. You opened Acrobat, loaded a PDF with a comment, selected and highlighted that comment's text, opened the properties from the left panel, and click to edit the font and size. With these quick adjustments, your comments will look cleaner, be easier to read, and better support your review process.